Today we are explaining how to change the default WordPress theme to perhaps something more interesting that you have purchased on a website where you get a custom theme. And so, yeah, we'll go through the steps here today to show you exactly how that works and how to alter it and make your website look a lot better than perhaps what the default WordPress theme may look like. To start off with, we're going to show you a real live example here today of a website that we're working on. So opening up a browser, it actually looks a little bit like this. It's basically the Enfold theme, but the reason why it looks like this and not the default theme is because I've already gone ahead and installed it and activate it. But let's show you what it looks like beforehand to just get a better feel, and we're actually going to show you how to make it even better looking than perhaps what you see here. But with our domain growu.com, you can see that once you go to the domain, the theme looks the way it is. But we're going to go to the back end where typically you type in wp-admin or wp-admin to literally log into the back end. So when you do that, obviously you have to log in with your ID and frankly log into the back end of the website. And so that's what we'll be doing here. So this is what it looks like on the back end. Off to the left, you will see appearance and themes. And in appearance themes, you will see the selection or the different themes that you have by default in the website. Typically, it comes with something like 2016 or 2015, and if you have that, frankly, as your default website, it will look something like this once you've already installed it with your one-click install from your local web host or whatnot. There are definitely a lot of versions of this, but typically it looks like this once you actually install it really quickly onto the website or get the WordPress, or in the most recent forms of WordPress that are basically like this. Anyway, so we have already installed and also labeled our website with the name and perhaps even a header or subheader, and so this is what it looks like. Besides that, it's typically the hello world. So going back to the back end in the dashboard, you can see in the appearance, we installed this theme called Enfold. Where did we get Enfold? Well, frankly, we went to this website called Themes Forest, and Themes Forest is basically an e-commerce website or a market of a bunch of custom themes. In the link WordPress and basically popular items, if you click on that, you get this page, and there are a bunch of different great custom solutions that you can purchase these days. It used to be around $10 and literally less, but nowadays it's actually inflated to as high as $59. But frankly, $59 is not that bad compared to what it used to be in the past, where, or not in the past, but rather compared to like a web developer, if you know how to actually build a website yourself, and that's what we're going to do today. In order to actually add this theme, you have to click on Add New. And after you have actually bought the theme and get the zip file, you would literally upload it to the website. So you choose here and then install. But we've already went ahead and done that, so that's why it sits here in the themes literally options. So we're going to go ahead and activate it. And once you click activate, frankly, it will change the theme to what we are hopefully going to make it look like, or at least closer to what we're hoping to make the website look like. So once it's activated, looking like it's taking a little time from our web host, maybe my internet connection, but once it's activated, we'll be able to see, frankly, the next step. So let's give that a second here, and once it all happens, then we'll move forward with altering or actually changing the theme for your viewing pleasure. So it does look like it's taking a little bit longer. So here in Hong Kong, oh, there we go. So anyway, so this is what the page looks like on the back end in the dashboard once the theme is activated. If you look on the front end, it looks like basically that page that I showed you at the beginning. So it looks like this. So going to the back end, we do need to go back to literally Enfold, one of the options on the left-hand side here, as you can see. All right. Again, the web host, or excuse me, the website, or excuse me, my ISP here in Hong Kong, frankly, PCCW has been quite painful. So you can see it takes a long time for it to even get to different parts of the website. I'm going to have to write, or rather create a video showing how painful it is. It's been literally more than 2 months going through this, but that's just a quick aside. Well, anyway, once we get the enfold options up here and going, we'll get to the next literally step. So here, once we get into this particular section, you can go to literally demo import. So if you click on this, you'll see all the different options. So we're going to play with the online demo here for today's demonstration. When you highlight over it, you can see click to import. So we're going to click to import. Then it's going to say importing the dummy data will overwrite your current theme options. So we're going to allow that to happen. Give it some time. Let it import into literally your backend. And once it is complete, we'll go ahead and start customizing it to your viewing pleasure. So anyway, this is what it kind of looks like, or at least one of the different versions of literally their demos. So let's say you wanted a website to look like this. Frankly, it could if you just literally have this import into your options. So we'll give that a second and then move forward from there. So once this is done, we'll go to the next steps of doing some customizing.